Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be comparing Lionbridge with Appen. So Lionbridge is relatively easy to get started with. After applying and passing few tests, you can get access to a task. However, finding the right project can take some time. So it offers a straightforward interface, but the task dashboard isn't the most intuitive. It's more about finding the right task than customizing your experience. It offers a consistent work in areas like AI training and search evaluation, but the pay can be inconsistent based on the task availability. It's ideal for part-time work. Now it pays around $10 to $15 per hour, but some projects pays more depending on the complexity. It is a solid option, but you'll need to actively monitor it for work. Now if I compare Lionbridge with Appen, so Appen also requires a test and profile approval, but the process can be more time-consuming compared to Lionbridge. Once you are in, however, Appen has more task variety. It has a clean design, but its project offerings are spread out across different categories, which can make it feel a bit overwhelming at times. So, however, Appen offers a broader range of tasks from data collection to social media evaluation. The earning potential is better here if you are able to secure higher paying projects, but it can be harder to find consistency in them. So it pays at around $12 to $20 per per the task, but it depends on task to task. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in figuring out between Appen and Lionbridge. Thank you so much for watching.